Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to set up the Renster WordPress theme WooCommerce middle section slider. As you can see here on the main theme demo, as you can see there is this slider with different posts. These are actually custom post types for cars, and all these different posts has this main image and the car title. Then you have this price, model, doors, seats, luggage, transmission, air conditioning, and minimum age. And then you have this link. As you can see, the reserve your ride link here that takes you to the WooCommerce page. We'll learn how to set up that, but first we'll learn how to set up this slider first. For that, we'll go to dashboard, and then you have this custom post type called cars. Click on add new, and then we'll set up these posts one by one. So for this demo purpose, I'll quickly copy this one car details. For example, the first one is okay. The first one is Audi Q8 S line. I'll just copy that, paste the title over here, and for description, I'll just copy random text from here. Okay, and then you can paste the description here, and then if you go down, you can see there is this section called cars information, and there you can enter all these details. These details are actually shown over here. As you can see, price, model, doors, seats, luggage, transmission, air conditioning, and minimum age. So we'll just quickly fill out all these details. So as for example, let's say $30 a day, model is classic, doors is 4, seats 5, luggage is 2, suitcases and bags, transmission is automatic. You can obviously change all these details according to your own requirement. Air conditioning is yes, and then minimum age is 3 years. Let's say 3 years. And then at the right at the bottom, you have this product page link. Here you will be entering the WooCommerce product page URL. For that, we'll learn that in a separate video, which is going to be the next one. So for moment, I'll just leave it as blank. And then you go to this section over here for the set featured image. I'll just quickly copy this image, and then go back to set featured section here, set featured image section, and then upload the file. Okay, so the image is now uploaded. Click on set featured image, and the image should be showing here now, and then click publish. So we'll just take a look at the slider now, how it looks on the home page. There you go. So the image is here, and then you have this car image and all the details here. And this reserve your ride is not working. The reason why it's not working, because we did not put the WooCommerce URL over here. All right, so we'll learn about that in detail in just a moment. All right, guys, so as you can see, this main heading is missing. To add this heading, you go to appearance and then theme options, and then you have this section here, mid slider, and then mid slider heading over here. I'll just copy that heading from the theme demo, copy that, and then go back here and then paste it, and then save changes. So it should be showing there now. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Check out cars available for rental. Okay, so as you can see, the slider is here, but it is not showing the navigation here. The reason why it's not showing is because we just posted one post. The moment you'll start posting more cars posts here, it will start showing the slider navigation here, and all these slides will be moving to the left to right direction, right to left direction. I'm sorry. All right, so I'll just to show you guys how it should be done, I'll just quickly post another car. Let's say this one, Chevrolet Aveo 2015. Copy that, go back to top sliders again and click add new, and then paste the title over here, and copy this description for just for display. I'll just paste it here. You can obviously change this description with your own content. And then actually I no, it shouldn't be the top slider, it should be the cars. I'm sorry about that. I'll just delete it and then go back to cars and click add new. The top slider is actually this is the top slider, and this is the cars custom post types. So for that, go to cars and add new. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so I'll copy the car title from here, paste it here, copy the description, paste it here, and then go down to the cars information section here. I'll just quickly fill out all these details for you. um, let's say 49, and then model is um, vintage, doors 4, seats 5, luggage is 2, suitcases and bags, transmission is automatic again, air conditioning yes, minimum age 2 years, and then again leave the product page blank as we don't have the WooCommerce URL of the product. When we'll set up the WooCommerce, then we'll get the URLs and then we'll post it here. So the basic information is ready here, and then I'll download the image as well first, and then go to the post that we were creating, and then click on set featured image here. Go to upload files and then select files, and then select the image. Click on set featured image and then publish. So it should be showing the slider now. I'll go to the home page, click refresh, and then there you go, the slider is now working perfectly. Okay, so alright guys, that's pretty much it in this tutorial. We'll be learning about the testimonial section on the home page in the next tutorial. As you can see, just below this slider you have this testimonial slider here, so we'll learn that in the next tutorial. And that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching.